In every cell in the human body, there is a nucleus where genetic information is stored in the genes. Genes carry the code responsible for all of our inherited traits and are grouped along the road like structures called chromosomes. Typically, the nucleus of each cell contains 23 pairs of chromosomes, half of which are inherited from each parent. Down syndrome occurs when an individual has a full or partial extra copy of chromosome 21. Thus, this is referred as the most common chromosomal condition. So, here you can actually see that, and the chromosome 21 has either the full or partial extra copy. So a little bit about the research on Down syndrome. In 1866, John Langdon Down was the first who actually described the person with this condition. And later on, in 1959, the French physician Jérôme Lejeune identified Down syndrome as a chromosomal condition. In the year 2000, the international team of scientists actually described and identified each of the genes on chromosome 21, and altogether there are about 329 genes. So here you can see the types of Down syndrome, and the most common type is commonly referred as trisomy 21, which is on the left. It occurs in 95% of cases, and as the embryo develops, the extra chromosome is reduplicated in every cell of the body. The next type occurs very rare in about 1% of cases and is referred to as mosaicism. It's about 1%. There is a mixture of two types of cells, and some of them contain 46 chromosomes, some contain 47. Those containing 47 generally contain an extra chromosome 21. So you can actually see the two types. And a little bit about these children. They are generally very kind and friendly, referred to sunny children, and they have a lot of strong sides, among which are great visual perception of details, a good visual memory. They learn and acquire reading relatively quickly, and also they observe from peers and adults the patterns of behavior which they acquire naturally. They have great artistic talents and outstanding achievements in sport. Really early they develop empathy and acquire excellent computer skills, which may help them later with their profession. So for about their education, it actually bases on their strong sides. As they have problems with self-regulation, the education has to be well structured. As they have poor short-term memory, it needs to be developed, so they have some problems with mathematical skills, with some counting skills. They need to develop their speech and social interaction. And as any other children, they have certain cognitive and academic challenges when it comes to education, and still problems in understanding and perceiving other people's emotions.